Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bean pasta. This easy method brings a healthy, gluten-free option to your table quickly. Bean pasta is a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat varieties, offering great nutrition and a satisfying texture. It cooks up fast, often in under 10 minutes, making it perfect for those busy evenings when you need a quick, wholesome meal. Let's dive into the simple steps. Making your own bean pasta is surprisingly simple with just a few basic items. First, select your preferred bean, like black beans or chickpeas, which form the base. You'll also need a food processor or a high-speed blender to achieve that perfect, smooth dough. Don't forget a large pot for boiling and a colander for draining. These simple tools are all you need to get started.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers incredible insights. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Cooking bean pasta is incredibly straightforward. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Once boiling, add your bean pasta and cook it according to the package instructions, which is typically between 6 and 8 minutes. Finally, drain the pasta thoroughly. You can rinse it with warm water if you prefer a less starchy finish. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious bean pasta. It pairs beautifully with a variety of sauces. Think light, fresh options like a vibrant pesto or a classic marinara. For a complete meal, consider adding some roasted vegetables or a lean protein. Serve it immediately to savor its perfect texture, or chill it for a refreshing cold pasta salad. The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.